Wish you a very happy birthday, Hannah. You know that we all love you a lot. And yeah, I wish you a great year with lots of happy moments. May you get everything that you wish for. And thanks for being such an amazing friend. Happy birthday.
A friend in need is a friend indeed, and you are the best example for this line. Thank you for all your supports and all your helps. I just want to say that I love you so much and thank you for everything. And I'm wishing you a very happy birthday to you. Though we cannot meet for this lockdown, but yes, I am sending so much love through this video. Happy birthday, Hannah, once again. Enjoy your day.
Hello, Ba. So finally, the special day has arrived when, in one of the years of late 90s, one very cute girl having a very beautiful smile came to this world. So, first of all, I would like to wish you a very happy return of this day. I wish may Almighty give you all the power, strength, and the positivity to continue your journey towards your goal, towards fulfilling all your desires. Stay happy, stay healthy, keep smiling because we all love to see you smiling. Thank you so much.
I wish you many happy returns of the day. Though we can't meet due to this pandemic, but my well wish always with you. And thanks for everything. Thanks for being there for me whenever I need help, whenever I need support. You always there. And this is it's your birthday today, and may this year bring lots of happiness and success to your life. And for my side, once again, happy birthday to you. Stay safe, stay healthy. Love you.
Hi Nilofer, wish you a very happy birthday. I hope all the coming years are very prosperous and glorious and everything good for you. Once again, happy birthday. Thank you.
Wish you a very glorious and a very bright life ahead. May your days be full of massive success and may joys brighten the ways of your life with love and care. So I'm wishing you a very happy birthday, Nilofer, from a safe and appropriate social distance. So stay healthy, stay safe, and I hope all goes well. Thank you.
Wish you a many happy returns of the day, Nilofer. May God bless you.
I wish you a very happy birthday to you, Hannah. I hope this year brings you a lot of happiness and prosperity in your life. God bless you and enjoy the moment what you get and cherish the moment what you get in your life. And once again, happy birthday to you.
Hey Nilofer, it's your special day and you are about to kick off your 24th year in this beautiful planet. So, my good wishes are with you. Live happily and peacefully. May all your dreams and goals get fulfilled. Just spread love and laughter. Happy birthday, Nilofer.
হেপী বাৰ্থডে নিলফাৰ জন্মদিনৰ বহুত শুভেচ্ছা নিলফাৰ গোটেই বছৰটি তোমাৰ খুব ভালেই যাওক ভাল দিনবোৰ সোনকালে আহক আৰু যেতিয়া আমি নিশ্চয় লগ হ'ম আৰু তোমাৰ পৰা চিয়'ৰ বাৰ্থডে ট্ৰিট ল'ম
Wish you a very happy birthday, Nelofer. May God bless you and have a wonderful day.
Yeah, hi Nelofer. Many happy returns of the day. Wish you a very happy birthday. Enjoy a full day ahead. May all your wishes come true. And one more thing, that you have got a superb tutor in Manuel. Always make him proud, right? Do your best in your work and make the most of your day. Wish you a very happy birthday.
Hello Nilofer. Wishing you a very happy birthday. I hope this birthday will bring you lots of love and happiness in your life. Spread love. God bless. Thank you.
Hey Nilofer, it's a message from one learner to another learner. Wish you happy birthday. You are a fantastic learner, a fantastic teacher also. You really are an example. You really are an inspiration to us all. So keep making more videos and enjoy the day. Happy birthday again.
Hey Nilofer, how are you? First of all, wishing you a very happy birthday. You were truly an amazing and hardworking person, and may all your hard works get rewarded. Although in this pandemic situation we are not able to celebrate your birthday, but still I am sending you the best wishes and hope that all your dreams, wishes, and aspirations come true. And keep smiling, keep rocking, and enjoy your day. Okay? Stay safe and don't forget to tweet. Okay, Papon. Bye bye for now. Happy birthday once again.
Hey, the strongest lady. I wish you a very happy birthday. May this birthday brings you so much happiness and so much strength to you so that you can work hard and you'll get the success. I wish you a very happy birthday. Stay strong, stay healthy.
Hey Nilofer, wishing you a very happy birthday. As I have come to know from my friend Moinul that you are doing very good under his guidance. So I wish you continue this journey and contribute in making the society progressive in the upcoming days. Thank you so much.
Hey Nilofer, I wish a very happy birthday to you. You are a girl who always wants to bring a change in the society by learning new skills. Recently you have learned the art of public speaking, and whatever you have learned that I have seen that you are delivering to the students, sometimes in the offline workshop or sometimes conducting sessions online for the students. And it is really praiseworthy. And nowadays even students started loving you. This is just because of your love and affection for the students and the commitment to the students community. And on this special day, I just would like to pray that one day you could become a very successful person and also good public speaker so that you can influence people.
Hi Nilofer, wishing you many happy returns of the day. May God bless you with more power, positivity, and I wish you to be a very good public speaker in the coming days. Wishing you all the best in life, good health, wealth, and all happiness. Have a great day.
Hi Nilofer, greetings for you all the way from Atlanta. I'd like to wish you a very happy birthday and many wonderful returns of the day. Have a great year ahead and tons more. Sending you loads of love and best wishes that the path ahead be graced with smiles and sunshine. I know this is a difficult time for all of us in the world and especially in India, but I'm optimistic that the storm will pass soon and we will be seeing happier and brighter days. So take care, stay safe, happy birthday once again, have a lovely day, bye-bye.
Hi Nilofer, how are you? Hope you are keeping fine. Happy to learn that today is your born day. So at the very outset, many happy returns of the day. May the Almighty shower upon lots of blessings on you. I believe that you have dreams to be fulfilled and goals to achieve. And let this day be the beginning of the new journey ahead. And I believe that in the coming days, you are definitely going to fulfill your dream, achieve your goals. Cherish this moment, enjoy this moment, stay at home, stay safe, stay healthy. Bye-bye. Have a nice day ahead. Thank you.